children, welcome to KV School Education. Today our topic is the poem The Nation's Tenth. So before this we discussed that is Unit 3, Water, Dollar and Robinson. Now this is the part B, this is the poem, this is the Nation's Tenth. First I will read the poem, then after we will discuss. Not gold but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand first and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They built a nation pillar deep and lift them to the sky. This was written by Roald Amundsen. Okay, this is the poem. So you should read this poem for 2-3 times. Then you should observe it, how the words are. Okay, children. Now I will start the explaining this poem. So in the beginning, what the writer is saying, not gold but only men can make a people great and strong. So what here they are saying means, the writer is saying that only the truthful and honorable people can save the nation. So men who stand fast and suffer can make a nation great. So what here they are saying, men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. So here they are saying that the people who are going to stand fast and they are going to suffer long. So who were here next, stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep. So here what we were saying, brave men who are there, who are working very hard, but who work while others sleep. Some people are working, they are working for the nation, and some people what they are doing, they are sleeping. So who dare while others fly. So he is saying that who are dare. Dare means face difficult. Who are dare and while others fly means what they are saying here. So dare means face difficulty. They are facing many difficulties also. They are going for work, and the brave people and the honorable people are going to work for the nation. So they built a nation pillar deep. They are saying that the people who are going to work hard, they are working for truth and honorable sake, they are going to build a nation pillar deep and lift them to the sky. And they are saying that they are going to lift them to the sky. Now I am going to write the meanings on the blackboard, just you read that meaning. So what is the meaning of men? Here who are the men? People who are people of the nation or the men. So what is the meaning of stand fast? Stand fast. Where is stand fast here? Here. Stand fast means refuse to give up. They are going to refuse to give up. And next is dare means who are going to dare while others fly. Dare means face difficulty. So I think children you have understood the poem here. Fly means escape and sleep means laziness. So these are the meanings. I will read check once. Men means the people of the nation or the men here given, and sleep means who are the lazy people, and dare means face difficulty, fly means escape. Understood? Now once again I will say you. So here see, not gold but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. Brave men while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They built a nation pillar deep and lift them to the sky. So the truth and honorable people can make a nation great and strong. We all know that. And there are some lazy people who are going to, they are not going to work for the nation. They are going to sleep. And here what they are saying means, the who work on, who dare while others can build a nation pillar deep and lift them to the sky. But here they are saying that the gold or wealth cannot make any country stronger. So only the truthful and honorable people can make a nation great. But here they are saying that not gold or wealth can make a nation stronger. They cannot make a nation stronger. I think children you have understood this poem. If you want to check this meaning, just once check. See here, men means people of the nation. Okay children. Next, honor sake means great respect. Stand fast means refuse to give up. Dare means face difficulty. Fly means escape. Sleep means laziness. So, according to the poem, these are the meanings for these difficult words. I think children you have understood the poem. Now I am going to tell you some question and answers. Just you should write the answers in your notebook. See what kind of people can make a nation great and strong. So which people are going to make a nation great and strong? We all know that truthful and honorable people can make a nation great and strong. So what do you think the word men refers to? In the beginning only I told you that men refers to the people of the nation. And see the third question, what does sleep means here? So here what I said, sleep means laziness, right? Next, what does fly means here? Fly means escape. Here escape is given already. So in what sense you can call, for example, Gandhiji a pillar of the nation? How you are going to say that Gandhiji is a pillar of the nation? So we can say that Gandhiji has made a non-violence movement and non-cooperation movement. So we can say that Gandhiji is a pillar of our nation, right? Now here down one project is given here. Visit a doctor, primary health center, medical shop and collect the information about common disease and collect information given below and present it before the class. So they are asking here the name of the doctor, medical practitioner, medical shopkeeper, who are there you should write. So for commonly if you are suffering from fever, we will go to medical shop, right? So then if you are suffering from cold, which medicine you are going to take and what precautions you are going to take? Yes or no? Next, fever. We all know when we are suffering from fever, we should take paracetamol or Colac or something we are going to take. Yes or no? Dolo, headache, stomachache, cough, indigestion, diarrhea. These are the common diseases. And what medicine you should take? You should go to medical shop and you should ask to the medical shopkeeper which type of medicine you should take and what precautions you should take. So this is the project work in the nation state poem. I think you have understood this poem. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment box and please subscribe this video if you like this video.